Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a very beautiful Honda, or I should say not a Honda, Skyteam 125, which is replicating what a Honda Dream looks like. So if you want to look up Honda Dream 50, this is kind of the look and feel of what they look like, and it's a really nicely done little thing. 2012 bike with only 2,634 kilometers on it, so basically new. What we're doing is we're going to put the wings, the classic Honda logo on the left and right hand side. I think it'll match nicely for the bike. We know it's not an actual Honda, but you know, it is a replica at the end of the day. And like compared to the Dream 50, there is quite a lot of differences, but you know, it looks relatively the same. But overall, the bike is in very nice nick from top to bottom. We've just done an oil service, brake. We've gone through the brake system and everything like that, and fuel system, and everything has been checked over. So it's all running quite nicely now. A little bit of rusting or kind of surface rust on the front here, the mudguard, but nothing crazy. Gaiters are good, indicators and headlamp assembly all good. And here's your 2,634 kilometers. All your instruments here looking nice and clear. Left hand side of the tank is very clean, and same all the way through the top. A little bit of what looks like kind of spillage of petrol, obviously, but nothing that can't be buffed out. At the rear then, all looking quite good. Rear brake lights, indicators, 2012 bike, and the rear tires all looking very good as well. Right hand side of the bike then, all very clean. Look how clean that rear shock is. There's our service, just saying it's been done, and the next one is done at around 5,000. And Skyteam original exhaust, engine has kickstart. I don't know if it's electric start as well. It is electric start and kickstart on the bike. All very nice, single cylinder 125, really quite cool. I'd make a good little run around of the bike on a Sunday or something like that, and it's definitely a looker, and people would be interested to look what it looks like. But that's been it for the Skyteam 125. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.